Welcome to Pinvesting, India's first real estate channel. Let's dive in the latest property news from Indian market. The National Company Law Appellate Tribunal in New Delhi has appointed NBCC Limited as the project management consultant to complete 16 stalled projects of Supertech. These projects, located across Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Haryana, and Karnataka, encompass approximately 49,748 housing units. The total estimated construction cost is around 9,445 crore rupees, including a 3% contingency, with NBCC charging an 8% fee, which includes a 1% marketing fee. The company is expected to complete the projects within 3 years, with construction starting on 1st May 2025, following contract awards by 30th April 2025. Home buyers and commercial unit holders who have existing allotments will not face cost escalations, aside from outstanding dues under their builder-buyer agreements. Rejecting proposals to assign profitable projects to private developers, NCLAT decided that NBCC would manage all 16 projects, leveraging surplus funds from financially viable projects to support those with deficits. Repayments to land authorities, banks, and financial institutions will be managed simultaneously, as per guidelines from the Supreme Court Committee. The funds allocated for construction under Section 4(2)(d) of the RERA Act may also cover land costs, as approved by the committee. Additionally, NCLAT mandated the establishment of an apex court committee and project-specific committees, with NBCC nominating representatives for each. To ensure transparency, a separate account named NBCC Supertech Unfinished Project will be opened, jointly managed by NBCC and the interim resolution professional. All funds for project completion will be credited to this account. Supertech entered insolvency on 25 March 2022, following a Union Bank of India petition under the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code over defaults linked to its Eco Village 2 project in Greater Noida. While creditors deliberated on resolution plans for Eco Village 2, other projects continued under IRP supervision. The Supreme Court and NCLAT adopted a project-wise resolution strategy, assessing each project's financial and operational health, consulting stakeholders, and ensuring progress despite the complexities of Supertech's portfolio. We value your input. Your feedback shapes our content. Thanks for watching Pinvest TV.